So now let's add and work with custom animations inside of Camtasia. So over here you can see that I already have a video clip of screen recording. So to add in custom animations, I'm going to go into the animation panel right here, and then I'm going to go to the animation tab. So once I go there, you can see that custom is an option. So I can simply click and drag it out onto the pane right here. Nothing happens, as you can see, because since this is a custom animation effect, it has to be arranged out by us. So the properties on what to be animated needs to be given by us. So we can simply click on the starting point and ending point and add in the animations. So let's go on to the start point, and this is the start point of the animation. I'm going to go to the end point, and let's say on the end point I want to scale the animation out right over here. I want it around over here on the left side, and let's say I want it to rotate out a bit onto the y-axis just like this, and then I want it to tilt out right over here, and I'm going to bring it down as well. So now what happens is that if I were to keep my cursor here, this is my starting point and end point from the video. So I can go over here, and then if I were to play this, you can see that this is how the animation plays. Of course, I can right click on it and enable different type of easing according to what I want. Let's say, for example, I want exponential ease in and ease out. I can enable that out, and that is how it works like. I can also go around and bounce things out right here, and you can see that it just bounces out just like that. So I'm just going to go around and enable the exponential in and out. So that's my first animation. So I can simply go over here and add in another custom animation somewhere, just like this. So the starting animation is the same as ending right here. So I'm just going to go to the end and change it around. Let's say, for example, I want to rotate this around a bit, just like that. I'm going to scale it out, keep it somewhere over here. And now what happens is that I have this now. So you can see that that is the starting animation, and then it just rotates out. Similarly, I can go around here, add in more custom animations, let's say, for example, and now I can change this around as well. And what happens is that the end animation over here changes out according to the starting animation I just set. And I can go to the end animation, and let's say I want to reset out all, and what happens is that the value has been set. So whatever value you change into, the visual properties will get affected over here in the custom animation. So this is something that you see. It zooms out, it goes around, zooms around, and then it zooms around just like this. So you want to, let's say, place out something over here somewhere for some reason, you can just do that out. This makes sense for creating, let's say, for example, interactive videos just like that. I can also do the same with annotations. Let's say, for example, I want to use this. So what I want to do is I want it to pop out. So let me just go around into the animation right over here, and then I'm going to go to custom just like this. So it is going to pop out from somewhere. So I'm just going to go to the starting point. I'm going to drag it up. I can also visually do everything just like that. And then over here in the ending animation, it just flies around. But let's say I want it to rotate it around 360 degrees as it comes down. So as I enter this value, you can see that it rotates out as well. I can add in rotation value just like this to all of this just like this. And what happens is that it just rotates around, as you can see from what I added in. So 360 to all of it just like that. And as it plays around, you can see that it just comes up into place just like that. And that is how you work with custom animations to make your videos more interesting to look at inside of Camtasia projects. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.